These are the top 4 interior detailing tools that every detailer should have in their toolkit. Whether you're just starting out as a detailer or are a seasoned professional, you will need these 4 interior detailing tools. And you're gonna be surprised by the 4th one, but it's my favorite, so stick around to find out why you need these 4 interior detailing tools. Hey, my name is Aaron and welcome to my channel. So starting on the list is the vacuum. This is a must-have, and let's be honest, you can't complete an interior detail without a vacuum. But like all interior detailing tools, there is an overwhelming range to choose from. So I'm gonna make it super easy for you and recommend just 2 different types of vacuums. Now, when choosing a vacuum, there are a few things to consider, like whether it's a wet and dry vac, or whether it's a portable vacuum rather than permanently mounted somewhere. Another factor to consider is the size and the capacity of the vacuum. You don't want to have to empty the vacuum halfway through a car. That would just be time consuming and annoying. The first vacuum I recommend is the Rigid WD-4070, which is a wet and dry vac that is highly recommended by professional detailers and is also very affordable. You can pick one up for about 130 USD. This is a 4-gallon vacuum, which is about 15 liters, so you could clean a few dirty cars before you need to empty it. You can also buy the auto detailing hose accessory kit, which includes a longer, wider, and more versatile hose for about an extra $50. Now, you don't need this extra accessory, but it definitely will help, especially in those bigger cars or you're vacuuming up thicker dirt. Now, the only downside about the Rigid vacuum is that it's only really available in the US. So if you're like me and you live in Australia or you just live outside of the US, then you might not be able to buy the Rigid vacuum. So in that case, the next vacuum I recommend is the Karcher WD-4 wet and dry vacuum. You can also pick one of these up for about 160 USD. So it's still very affordable and it's a great pro level vacuum. It's nice and light, weighing about 9 kgs, and it has a 20 liter capacity, so it's slightly bigger than the Rigid, but still very portable and easy to move around. Now, the vacuum I use is actually a Nilfisk VP300. It's a great vacuum, but I don't recommend it because it's a dry only vacuum. So if I'm wanting to vacuum up some liquid or something, I need to use a separate extractor, which becomes a hassle. So when it's time for me to buy another vacuum, I'll be buying a Karcher vacuum. But the Nilfisk has lasted me many years and it has no signs of slowing down yet. But maybe I'll just buy a second vacuum, we'll see. All right, moving on to the second tool that every detailer needs is the detailing brush. You can get a wide variety of detailing brushes, including a natural boar hair detailing brush, a nylon detailing brush, and a soft bristle microfiber detailing brush, just to name a few. And they can all be used for different surfaces. For example, the boar hair detailing brush, which is commonly used for cleaning the exterior of a car, but it can also be used on the interior as well. It's made from natural boar's hair, which is soft and gentle on surfaces, so it makes it perfect for detailing delicate areas such as leather or upholstery, dashboard controls, air vents. So nylon detailing brushes are synthetic brushes with stiff bristles, making them perfect for cleaning hard surfaces such as plastic. All right, they're durable and long lasting, making them an excellent investment. You definitely want to grab a few of these if possible. And then you've got the microfiber soft bristle brush. These brushes are made with microfiber bristles that are soft and gentle, making them ideal for delicate surfaces such as paintwork, chrome, glass, things like that. Now, you don't need all 3 of these detailing brushes when you're first starting out, okay? If I was to recommend just one of these detailing brushes, it would be the boar hair detailing brush. It's super versatile and you can use it on pretty much all surfaces. Okay, so number 3 on the list is the interior cleaner. You can't call yourself a detailer if you don't use some sort of an interior cleaner. Now, you might also hear the name APC or all-purpose cleaner. It's pretty much the same thing. It's just a cleaner that can safely be used on all surfaces, especially on the interior of a car. So it's still effective at breaking down dirt and grime, but you don't have the risk of causing damage. Now, you can use a mild citrus-based degreaser as an all-purpose cleaner, but mild degreasers are generally stronger and there's a higher chance of of causing damage with a mild degreaser. So I recommend sticking to a dedicated interior cleaner, okay? And the one that I use and also highly recommend is Express Interior Cleaner. It's a great cleaner by P&S, and another reason why I like this cleaner is because it foams up really nicely and it also doesn't leave any residue. All right, now the fourth and final tool on the list today is none other than the mighty microfiber towel. Now you might be thinking, but it's just a towel, it's not that important. But I'm going to explain quickly exactly why the microfiber towel is my favorite and why it's the most important tool on the list. Okay, if I could only choose one tool to clean a full car with, it would be the microfiber towel. Okay, there's only so much you can do with a vacuum. There's only so much you can do with a detailing brush. There's only so much you can do with an interior cleaner. But with a microfiber towel, you can pretty much do it all. So the reasons why these microfiber towels are so good is they're incredibly versatile. They can be used for all kinds of cleaning and drying tasks. The unique blend of polyester and nylon fibers makes them super absorbent, meaning they can soak up water and other liquids quickly and efficiently. They can actually hold 7 times their weight in water. This makes them perfect for cleaning up spills and wiping down surfaces and dirty areas. One of the best things about microfiber towels is that they don't require any harsh chemicals or cleaning products to be effective. The tiny fibers in the towel are so effective at picking up dirt and grime that they can be used with pretty much just water. This not only saves you money, but it also saves the environment since you're not using any harsh chemicals or disposable cleaning products. Okay, now you will need to use cleaning solution occasionally, especially when you're dealing with dirtier surfaces or really thick grime and dirt. There's a whole range of options to choose from, so depending on what you need them for, okay, for example, you can use a waffle weave microfiber towel, which is perfect for cleaning glass surfaces because it doesn't leave behind any lint. And you can also use a plush thicker microfiber towel, which is great for drying surfaces quickly. There are also different sizes and thicknesses available to choose from too. Microfiber towels are measured in GSM or grams per square meter, and the higher the GSM, the more absorbent and thicker the towel will be. For multi-purpose microfiber towels that can do it all, I'd recommend to choose one that is at least 50 centimeters squared and about 300 or 350 GSM. Anything less than 300 GSM probably will be too thin and not as effective. So the top 4 interior detailing tools every detailer can't be without is the vacuum, the detailing brush, an interior cleaner, and the microfiber towel. Okay, but if you think there was another tool that should have been added to the list, pop it in the comments section and I'll check it out. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.